sneakerheads are all over the place, and the sneaker industry is and has been booming for quite some time now. And what goes better with sneakers than t-shirts? How to make t-shirts for sneakerheads or t-shirts to match sneakers, coming up right now. What's up, guys? Gary Ejene from around the way, t-shirthelpdesk.com. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about sneakerheads. Now, sneakerheads, for those of you who've been living under a rock, these are people who are really into athletic shoes. I mean, they're people who will go out and literally spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on sneakers, rare sneakers, old sneakers, people who will wait in lines overnight for days for sneakers to be released. I mean, it's crazy. It is an entire industry. It is growing by leaps and bounds and has been for some time. SneakerCon is crazy. There are sneaker conventions. It's outrageous, all right? And t-shirts go with sneakers like peanut butter and jelly, all right? Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble. So, in this video, I just want to talk about the making of sneaker t-shirts. One of the biggest things that you want to do is, number one, just look around. I do this all the time. I literally have a library of t-shirt designs that I have been collecting for years. When I see a nice t-shirt, I either take the JPEG and pull it off to my desktop, screenshot it, and I have it and I archive them, all right? I literally have hundreds. No, not even hundreds, thousands of t-shirts, okay? So what I do is I have a principle, okay, is that if it worked once, it will work twice, all right? Meaning, and I talk about this in my book, Start a T-Shirt Business or Die Trying, there is an art to finding inspiration in art that's already been created and making something great that is reminiscent of something without straight up and down biting or copying, all right? And that's it, you know, you want something that goes. And another thing is you always want your t-shirt to match these colors to the sneakers that come out. They have all these colorways and you want your sneakers to match. So when they rock the t-shirt, it matches right back to the color. All right. So really briefly, I'm going to show this graphic. I don't know where I got this graphic from. I got it literally years ago. I found it online somewhere. Like I said, I pulled it off and I archived it under, I think, Sneakerheads or Sneaker. And you can see it's a really dope graphic. It's got the words, the cool kids, and it's got the sneakers underneath. It's got the dripping. It's a really cool t-shirt and it's got some bright colors. Those are the blue and orange, which are New York Knicks colors. Anyway, I'm from New York, but not a Knicks fan. But anyway, to all my Knicks fans, you know, keep hope alive. But it's got the Knicks colors, the royal blue and the orange and the white. And it's a really cool graphic. Now, there's many ways that you can go about making a version of this. So I'm going to just use this as inspiration and show you something that you can do to create or recreate a graphic that you really like. All right. So we're going to go over to DesignCrowd and I'm going to show you a way that this could be done. You could do it any way you want. If you want to design it yourself, if you want to hire a freelancer, I personally recommend these guys because you're going to see all the fantastic, and I mean fantastic options that you get. All right. So roll that beautiful bean footage. All right, guys, we're in the back end here, and this is our design brief. This is what you want to use to make sure that your artist is giving you exactly what you want, and there's no confusion and nothing is subject to their interpretation or perception of what you want. Okay. So right here we have a really cool t-shirt. Okay. I really like it. It's like hand drawn, and it's got the shoelaces that make words. It's really cool. It says the cool kids, and it's in these, you know, blue and orange, which is like New York Knicks colors. Boo. And I'm from New York. But anyway, we want to do it in like these Jordans. All right. So this is going to be like a sneakerhead. Jordans are really in. I believe these are Jordan 11s. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to that. Y'all are sneakerheads. I'm not. But for you guys who are into sneakers and you want to do the t-shirts that match, let's make it happen, Captain. So I simply tell them, instead of using the cool kids, use I Heart My Kicks. Okay. Please make it a similar style as this photo with the shoelaces spelling the words. And I also say, please use these sneakers. And just in case, because this can get a little crazy, I just say to use this one because this is really cool. And this is also looks like shoestrings. Please excuse the profanity. I say use this as your base as a font. Make the words look like this. And I say it right here. And I also say it right here. And I say, don't forget the paint drops. Good luck. May the best graphic designer win. This way, there's no confusion, y'all. And also, I tell them not to use these Knicks colors, but to use these kind of the Bulls colors, which is black and red. And the gray is just that medium color shading. That medium color shading in there. If you can, ooh. If you can see that little shading in there. All right, so that's it. I'm going to save this as a PDF, and then we're going to go into DesignCrowd. Let's go. All right, now we're in DesignCrowd, and I've showed you this several times before. You just want to go up here to my account, or you can make an account, and then you go right here to Get Started Now. T-shirt design, and looky here. Okay, you simply name your project. We're going to call this one Sneakerhead T-shirt design, athletic shoe T-shirt design. Really simple. And the description is please see design brief. Please see design brief. And now we upload our file. And it's really that simple, guys. It's really that simple. All right. You click continue. Now you simply choose which one you want to go with. All right. You can start low. You can go all the way up to the highest. Okay. Remember, things are not what they cost. They're what they're worth. All right. So you go down here and you hit continue. You choose which payment you want, and it is done. All right. That is it. That's all. Solo, single, no more, no less. We're going to come back in a few days and let's see what we got. All right. So that was that. And now, okay, it's a few days later, we are going to see what we got. Check it out. All right. And we're back. All right. So let's go up to my account, my projects. All right, manage project. I'm just going right here to 28 designs. So let's see what we got. Woo! All right. Wow. Okay. So let's take, wow, look at that. That looks awesome. Okay. So let's go right here. Interesting. Nice. That is really nice. Really nice. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through these, and I'm going to put a link down in the description box. Okay. It's going to say poll. And I want you guys to look very nice. And I want you guys to look at these. And I want you guys to choose. Okay. I want you guys to vote. Which one do you like? Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. This is money right here. Imagine taking this to SneakerCon. All right. And that's the colors for the Jordans too, man. Imagine taking this to SneakerCon, guys, taking these t-shirts. Wow, look at this. All right. This right here, my friends, is money. this t-shirt at SneakerCon will sell. I guarantee, well, I'm not going to make any 100% guarantees, but I theorize that it will sell a lot. He used the Knicks colors, and it still looks good. So I want you guys to take a look at these. And this is what you get at DesignCrowd. You know, I mean, for you guys who design, you do your own thing. I mean, I'm a designer. But for you guys who are artistically challenged, okay, hey, things are not what they cost. They are what they're worth. You sell a couple of t-shirts, you have your money back. And you can continue to sell over and over. Oh, wow, nice. Look at this. And over again, okay? So the choice is up to you. Look at how beautiful these are, guys. And all you have to do is just put up a brief, sit back, and wait. Okay, guys, that's it. Make sure you go to, right down in the description box, you go click on that link and go to DesignCrowd, set up an account, and when you're ready, go make some magic happen. All right, remember, I want you guys to comment, rate, subscribe, and share this, man. And also check me out. I'm on Instagram. Check me out on Instagram. I'm also on Facebook. You can just put in T-shirt help desk. And always remember, do something good for somebody. And if you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. As always, cheers to your T-shirts. Now you know what I'm about to do. I'm finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. Peace.